Okay, I'm in a little community park right now. 1917, the sign set out front is rating a high 60, low 70. I'm thinking that's gonna be a coin. Most likely a copper cent. I don't think it'd be a dime. It wasn't high enough. But what year? We'll know till we get her out of the ground. Catching the plug. Up to the side. Nope, I was wrong. Copper snap or something? Okay, I got a signal here in a volleyball net. 3 inches deep or so. Okay, it's in here. There it is. Clad quarter. Yes, sir. Okay, we got one here now. Quite a bit deeper, it seems. So damn rocky here. Real rocky. It jumped around a little bit, so chance of it being a good target's pretty slim. But when you're in a park like this, you might want to dig just about everything, because your small gold and stuff's gonna show up. Trashy signals, or lower numbers rather. And there it is. It is a coin. I'll be damned. It's down there way, but it's just a Lincoln. It was down there. Okay, what we're doing now, we're gonna head towards the pavilion down here a little ways. I think beer's permitted here, alcoholic beverages permitted here, so that usually means people get drunk and lose stuff. And I'm hoping maybe cash in on that a little bit. Yeah, we're here at the pavilion now, and we're gonna see what we can find here. Yeah, then we'll plug this piece. There we go, clad quarter, another one. Not bad, I'll take that. You can see that pretty messed up. Probably been in the ground for quite a while. Yeah, we're doing pretty good here. It's clad, but still fun. All right, let's keep going. I was filming this when we found the target. My battery went dead. But right there it is. And what it is, the coal miner's tag back in the 20s or 30s. Okay, how these worked is these be hanging on a board, and a coal miner to go in and take that with them. And the boss on that shift to look at the board and see that one's gone. He knows that guy's still in the mine. That's pretty amazing. I found one of them up here. It's the first time. Okay, we got another one here. We're cleaning up pretty good around this pavilion. Yeah. That's mid-80s. Hoping for silver, but yeah, so far no good. I know this place is old enough to have silver, but yeah, nothing yet. Just this newer stuff. It's old milk glass, I guess you'd call it. That's pretty old. Ah, there it is. Another clad quarter. That one's a little bit older. 89. Still not old enough, but it's still fun just being out here digging this stuff. Mid-80s. Yeah, mid-80s, low 90s. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's in the plug. Where'd you go? There it is. Another clad quarter. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to head to the other part of the park here, other pavilion. Cleaned up pretty good on this one. Oh, I bet you $1 plus worth of clad quarters and some pennies and a dime or two. Okay, these are pretty close together. We're about here. I'm going to try on the small side, and it's going to start getting dark. We have to call it a day here in a little bit, but let's see what we can find here. Okay, piece of a child's toy cap gun. I was down there pretty far. That's the barrel right there, the cap gun. I mean, that's pretty old. See if there's any more of it in there. Might be. More of it. Yep, there's looks like the hammer. Yep. Okay, we made it back to the vehicle. Here's what we found today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Lincolns. Not real old, late 60s through the 70s. We got 4 quarters. Nothing real old there. 89 was the oldest. 2 Rosies. One that was just right on the grass. That one there's still pretty clean. This one here, it's all bent and mangled. Go down there pretty deep. Yeah, so that's the clad we found. And also this miner's tag, as you can see, it got number 215 on it. That was a pretty nice find. This cap gun, which is busted in half, I'm guessing it goes together. Oh, I don't know, something like, oh heck, I don't know. Like that maybe. It just broke apart. A little buckle. There's that brass snap, or whatever it is, that copper strap. Another piece of child's cap gun. They've got like a octagon barrel on it. Found that hammer for it, but that's all I found for that. Then this big big ugly thing. That piece right there is copper. As for the rest of it, might be concrete or cement. I don't know, cause that Fisher showed a pretty good signal. But yeah, there you go. That's the finds today. Wasn't too bad of a day. We're up in a 100-year-old little town in Cambria County. Back to the vehicle. We didn't do too bad on the clad. I showed you that. And the child's cap guns, found 2 of them. A child's toy and a big cemented ugly thing with a piece of copper in it. Miner's tag, and the child's like a matchbox car. I was here, like I said, years ago, and I found a mercury dime and a 1919 wheat penny. It was up behind me quite a ways. I figured I'd try it around the pavilions here and see if it do any good. I didn't do too bad today. I'm more than happy with the take. I mean, what I found, just all clad, nothing old, no silver today, but you can't always get that. I hope you guys liking what you're saying, and if you do, hit that subscribe button, and also like, and remember, if you're not swinging it, you're not going to find it.